let's do problem 189, rotate array. So just to go through the example, the example we are given here kind of explains everything we need to know. So suppose we're given an array and k is equal to 3, so we have to move the array 3 times to the right. So if it goes beyond it, it's gonna come to the front. So I personally couldn't think of the method, so I had to look at the solution. So suppose we're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we are given k equals 3, what we do initially is the first step for anything has to be rotating the entire array. And then the next step would be, if k equals 3, we only look at the first 3 elements, so reverse it, and then again reverse this one. So we basically have to reverse it 3 times. So the outcome would be 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1 has moved 3 times, so did everything else. Okay, so whoever came up with this idea kind of saved us a lot of time. Also, one thing to know is, suppose k, so we have 7 elements. If k is 12, we're going to push everything 7 times, and then we're going to move the remaining 5 times. So we kind of want to optimize it by saying k is equal to k modulus nums length. So we're kind of normalizing it. Actually, nums length is going to be used quite multiple times, so we kind of want to have a variable for this one. So I'm going to say size equals nums length, and then change that to size. So as I said, we have to reverse the entire array, but we actually need to have a method for this one. So public void array and then reverse. We're gonna take a nums, and then we're gonna, to rotate an array, we need to get the first and the last position of an element. So we're going to take first position int I and second position int j. Okay. And the way the reverse works is, I'm going to use this. Okay, let's use 2 examples, 7, 6, 5 and then 4, 3, 2, 1. So that would be I, that would be j. So when do we stop? Well, we first swap these, okay, and then we're going to move I, we're going to increment I, so I will be pointing here, and then j will be pointing here. Okay, what about this one? This is I, this is j. We swap them, and then I is here, and then j is here. And then we're going to increment, so I will be here, j will be here. So when do we stop? We stop when I becomes greater than j. So the condition should be while j is greater than I. What do we do? We're gonna rotate, and swapping values is what we've done before multiple times. So temporary will be I, another nums I, and then we're gonna say nums j equals nums plus temporary, and then nums dot nums j and nums I, nums.I is equal to temporary. And we have to increment I and then decrement j. Okay, that's the reverse done. And we have to loop around and reverse the first the first one, which is the entire array. So it's reverse nums, putting in nums, and it will be, the first element will be 0, the last element will be k minus 1. And then we have to reverse the first element, we have to reverse the first part, so we do up to the k minus 1. So nums from 0 to k minus 1. So my apology, that should be size minus 1. And then the remaining part would be from k to the end of an array. Let's run it. Good. Submit. Okay, good result.